find your own sound. There is no point in making sound-alike copies from whatever is big at the time. It may take a longer path for you to get where you want to go, but you really need to have your unique identity and your unique sound.
We're Tuff London, and this is our FaderPro Toolroom Academy course, where we will be showing you how we make a track from scratch with a view to working with a vocal or vocalist or session singer. We'll be showing you how we work as a duo. Ben's is more the engineer, the hands-on. We're both the creative input in it. Sometimes I can be more of the soundboard guy, because he can get lost in an EQ of a kick drum. I mean, you can get effects. You can sample them from absolutely anywhere. It's, we've obviously got a bank of samples, but my mate was a builder the other day who was doing his whacker thing, and the guy in the recording studio came out and said, "Can I sample it?" And so they came out with a microphone.
What I'm going to do, because we find this useful, is I'm going to copy the kick over to a different channel, and on this channel we're going to have a version of the kick which has got the bottom end taken out, so it just allows us to move the kick down to this channel.
And we use this for little breakaways, little drum fills, parts where we need to take things, well, as I said, take things away and bring them back in, really.
Now, if you actually arrange a track and you finish it to the end, even if it hasn't got all the right parts that you think, don't get stuck on those parts. Arrange it, finish it, then take a step back, and then you can have a look at it, and it becomes easily apparent what's missing once it's there as a full picture in front of you. The trick is to move forward, get it done, come back, and then replace those parts then.